my interest in architecture, of course, when I went inside the kilns, these large kilns. Haunting is a word that comes to mind. Um, and I think when I built my kiln, I thought about a cathedral a lot. um, as sort of like a personal cathedral. Um, the most intense part of the kiln is not only the beautiful shape that is inside, because that's the important part, but when you're sitting in there, and my kiln's 900 cubic feet, it's 35 feet long, and it's 6 feet tall, so you can stand in it. You could literally live inside the kiln as a house. Every square inch of that kiln gets to be 2,400 degrees. That is a very hard thing to comprehend when you're standing inside of this brick structure. That you have space around you. You have enough space to lay down, you have enough space to stand up, you can walk or you can run. And to understand that through using a fire, wood, that every part of that kiln will be 2,400 degrees at some point. It's a mind-boggling kind of transformation that your brain goes through, and it's a bit like a poem for a moment. It leaves you with that little bit of tenderness of not understanding it, but maybe you do understand it. It's just that you can't describe it yourself.